What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday over here. Bitcoin currently is at about 26.7K, trying to get back up there. Very important to be paying attention to Bitcoin right now. I've already done a more detailed post on the Bitcoin charts. You guys need to take a look into my first post today because I have dug into the Bitcoin charts, letting you guys know how Bitcoin could affect this overall altcoin markets. Chances are, if Bitcoin is pulling back, your altcoin setup is going to be pulling back or is going to be going up in a very limited manner, okay? So very important to be taking a look into Bitcoin here because it's going to affect your altcoin setups, okay? If Bitcoin can actually get back on top of the daily 200 SMA as well as the weekly 200 SMA, that's going to be about that $28,000 zone. Is going to be looking a lot better for the altcoins, at least in the short term. Okay, cannot emphasize Bitcoin enough. Do take a look into my first post. The main topic for this post will be about Stellar Lumens, XLM token. See what has gone on in this market since the last time I've talked about it. Is it still bullish, at least in the short term? Could it break out if it's recent downtrend here? Okay. Going to be taking a look into some upside and downside price targets for XLM, as well as some key price levels for this coin to break in order to go either direction. I'm going to be giving you guys my overall thoughts on this crypto market as a whole and what I'm personally doing later in this video, so make sure to be staying around for that. Of course, none of what I'm saying here is financial advice. It's purely my personal opinions and speculations. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I an elite trader of any sorts. I could very well be wrong, even though I am a profitable trader who's been able to keep most of my profits during the last bear markets. And I'm looking to crush it here for the next bull cycle. So if you guys feel the same way, if you guys are feeling pumped, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it. All right, so we do have Stellar currently at about struggling about 10 cents here. Okay, down over 1% today. Like I said, I've already done a more detailed post on Bitcoin. Do take a look into that. My first post, I will do a detailed chart analysis of Bitcoin every first post of the day. So don't miss that. It's going to affect your altcoins. Come down here to Stellar. All right, so I've talked about this, okay, on this weekly time frame. This looks like a rounded bottom, right? It could potentially form a cup and handle, right? If the neckline being about 20 cents area, okay? We have, we don't really have an exact wick on the left side here, but on this right side here, but you have quite a bit of rejections here, okay? Rejections at the 20 cents area on this left side. I mean, you don't have one single candle wick, but I will consider 20 cents to be the main resistance right now, okay? For this developing cup and handle, it is not completed yet. You still need another retest here back to about 20 cents area to complete that handle portion of this cup and handle. It is a bullish pattern. It usually breaks to the upside, right? But nothing is absolute, okay? In this market or in life, really. So very important for this, for XLM to come back up here to retest 20 cents area in order for this cup and handle to complete, okay? Is it going to happen? I don't know for sure. I'm just giving you my best guess. Now, let's see what could be happening on this smaller time frame, right? On the smaller time frame here, there is a falling wedge. Okay, it has been on a downtrend for quite a bit of time. Okay, for the past more than a month, right? About a month. Okay, so we have been in this falling wedge. Measure move out of this falling wedge. Would be about, let's just say, if it breaks out October 21st. I'm not saying that it does need to break out by October 21st. I'm just picking a future breakout date so I can get a measured target, okay? Falling wedges typically break to the upside. However, there is still a chance it breaks down, okay? So if and when, right, this breaks to the upside on October 21st, we get a measure move of about a little above 12.5 cent area, okay? So it's about a 20% move. Okay, for this smaller falling wedge pattern here, and let's see if if it breaks out, and if it does, could it actually come up here to this measure targets? And if it does, will it actually work towards that 20 cent area? Okay, so quite a bit of what ifs to be considering in here. Okay, let's take a look into some key price levels to be paying attention to in order for Stellar to break to the upside here, okay? Now we have the daily 200 SMA, that's about 11 cent area, okay? That you need to break back on top of the daily 200 SMA because that is an indicator on if this coin is, or any market is in a bull market or bear market, okay? If you're above the daily 200, then you're in a bull market. If you're below the daily 200, then you're in a bear market, okay? All these trading concepts, go ahead and Google search or chat GPT, which would save you a lot more time, right? Than Google. And, just look up whatever I'm saying here, verify what I'm saying, because, that is probably the most you can get out of watching content like this is the educational part of the video. So you can actually learn to judge for yourself without relying on others, especially when the bull market comes, okay? Now, daily 200 SMA, 11 cent area, daily 21 SMA, 11 cent area, right? The blue and the orange line, daily 50 SMA, about the 12 cent area, it's coming down. All your 3-day moving averages are ranging from about 11 cent area to about 12 cent area, okay? Your blue, orange, gray line, 21, 200, and 50, respectively. You guys can repeat the same exercise for the weekly, the monthly timeframes, or whatever timeframes you guys are interested in for past resistances and supports. You guys can also refer back to previous trading history in whatever timeframes you guys are interested in for those key levels. Let's take a look into some key support here. So we don't have any major moving averages beneath us anymore. It doesn't seem like. Do we have the weeklies? Okay, we have the weekly 50 SMA as support right now at 10 cents area. I want to emphasize that, whatever setup that is being talked about here is going to depend a lot on Bitcoin, okay? If Bitcoin pulls back, chances are Stellar is going to pull back with it. And so are a lot of these altcoins, okay? So very important to be paying attention to Bitcoin. Now, if you guys do want to see more of Stellar, do like, subscribe, and comment. I will bring you guys an update if enough of you guys want to see it. So make sure to do that. What I'm personally doing in the market and my overall thoughts on this crypto markets as a whole right now is that it still looks bullish unless Bitcoin breaks that 24.7K area, which would be the neckline of a double top pattern on the weekly time frame, okay? Then I'm gonna start flipping my opinion to bearish. But right now, it still looks overall bullish because it has been able to stay away from that breakdown, that double top pattern. Very important. Most important in my opinion for Bitcoin right now. What I'm personally doing is I am still holding spot longs on quite a bit of altcoins, but I am trading the market both ways since Bitcoin has been in a very tight range, okay? As a short-term trader, that is what I do. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comment section below. Are you guys just holding? Are you guys trading? What are you guys trading? How is this market treating you guys? Because it's been a rough market. Let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.